Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Too slow. Come on, boy. Get it. Get it. Get it, boy. Come on, liver boy. Get it. Get it, boy. Too slow. Come on, man. Come on, boy. You can do it. You can do it. It's right there. Get it, boy. Too slow, liver boy. Too slow, liver boy. Throw your hands up in the air if you don't care about the liver king. What the fuck was up with that dude? I know. He glue in the dark. What the hell was up with that liver boy? That was some ridiculous psyop shit. Some Illuminati Masonic public deception, brainwashing stuff again. They love to do that. First, they brought out this ridiculous guy. Like absolute dumb fuck. Out of nowhere. And then they blew him up. Nobody's ever heard of him. He got all this money selling supplements or whatever the fuck. And suddenly there's this ridiculous guy eating raw meat, raw liver. And then every single popular influencer, doctor, influencer, whatever, start to talk about, oh my god, there's this liver king guy. He got all those muscles. The normies go, ooh, and the normies go, ah, the drama. He got this primal diet. Wonder why they used that name, that guy. It's almost like they don't want people to take raw meat eating seriously and find out about Arjun's Wonder Planet's work that use also the primal word pretty significantly in his work with the primal diet. They love to make things that might have some truth in them seem ridiculous to normies, discredit these ideas. What in all these influencers and influencer doctors and all these YouTubers that are in reality in the club, most of them, why didn't they go ooh and ah when Frank Tufano and Goddess was eating raw meat, building at least somewhat authentic audience over the years, way before Liver King? Why none of them was like, what the hell is going on with this raw meat then? But suddenly this ridiculous freaking guy that everybody who has a couple brain cells left can see is on steroids, don't know what the fuck he's doing. Or actually, we all know what he was doing. He was trying to make money. He was part of this club that the patients ain't in. Then they blow up his channel artificially. No way that all was authentic. And then everybody go ooh and ah. And then it comes out, he was on the steroids all along. And everybody has to talk about it. Every podcast influencer has to talk about it. Oh my god, he was on steroids. It was not the raw liver. It was not the raw meat he was eating. By the way, this fat is freaking good. That's pretty much the best tasting thing there is. Just beef fat, very yellow. And think about they throw all that shit away. Nobody's eating that. Oh man. But yeah. The secret societies love to play masses with those ooh and ah things. Create these psyops with people. Make things that have some truth in it ridiculous to the public. Like no. Make it seem like everybody's just doing it for the money. Whatever. It is pretty interesting to talking about Frankie Boy and Goddess. Those guys are pretty interesting. It is pretty interesting to see where they are at right now. They being shadow banned to hell, trying to build this authentic audience. But both of those guys have gotten themselves into quite a bit of trouble. Maybe their own doing, maybe not, who knows. But they're both into pretty big trouble these days. Frank Tufano actually, interesting case because he went back from the raw meat stuff that he was preaching, championing about many years. He went back from it to eating all these starches and grains and all these cookies and whatever. But he has his company, Frankie's Free Range Meat. Shout out to you guys. Bringing good quality nutrition to people out there in the US of A. But he's been having a lot of problems. And he seems to blame the club I'm talking about over here. There might be many clubs too. Who knows? But he seems to blame the club for many things going wrong in his life. But he made the decision to do that eye surgery. Whatever. I wish Frankie all the best. And Goddess has his own situation with his ex-girlfriend. Who knows what the hell is going on with that? I'm just interested to find out what happens. I can definitely see both sides. I can see both sides. We just here to enjoy the drama and eat raw chicken. But we focus on the real science over here. What's really going on? And being honest. Being honest with the public about our findings. Every single day I'm still open. Raw meat, raw chicken gonna make me sick. But just doesn't seem to happen. But anyway, it's so easy to brainwash these normies. Just put a steroid freak in front of them, blow up the numbers out there inauthentically. And then everybody goes, what's there? What's there? He's so popular. He's so ridiculous. And then they use the connections with the other people in the club to help. Everybody's talking about themselves inside of the club and keeping the talking points inside of a certain box. And then people who go a little bit outside of the box and they are not into the club, shadow banned. Let's shadow ban this motherfucker. Because we have to control the talking bunch. Because that's one of the best ways to brainwash the public. That's one of the best ways to brainwash the peasants. To keep them in check. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Big dicks in your ass is bad for your health. Everybody knows that. Then thanks Ice Cube. Another Masonic puppet probably. Gangsta rap. That was for sure. Government psyop to get people into violence, drugs, gang banging. You gotta get some of this stuff inside of you so you can see through it. What is the brain made out of? What is the brain made out of? And what is in here? In ample quantities. Very bioavailable for your body to use for its benefits. I tell you this much, my dreams have been extremely vivid lately, that I've been eating this and I've been eating those meat broths that are very collagen heavy, very fatty also. Like my dreams have been super complex, like movie like I look forward to getting into sleep. My dreams, super exciting. I don't need to watch movies anymore. I just sleep. Like every single night recently, the dreams have been super good. Sometimes we got a little bit romantic dreams, sometimes more action-like. Sometimes we got some wisdom in there. It's been real good. It's been tremendous. Unlike Liver King, based science, we condemn you, Liver King, for all of your sins to the peasants, working against human beings. We reject your apology about lying to the public. And Liver King, you are not the friend of base science, and we are very friendly here. Now if you pay me $1 million cash money and give me plenty of animals to eat, I might forgive you, Liver King, even though you are a bad guy. And base science hates bad guys that deceive even the poorest of the poor peasants of this world. So Liver King, you suck ass.